If Firefox has been feeling slow on startup, crashing when it opens, or just not loading pages the way it should, clearing the startup cache can help. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear the startup cache on Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. And if you find this tutorial useful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu. From here, move down and click Help. In the Help menu, select More Troubleshooting Information. This will open a special support page with advanced settings and recovery tools for Firefox. On this page, scroll until you find the section labeled Try Clearing the Startup Cache. This is the option we need. Now click the Clear Startup Cache button. Firefox may take a moment to process the request, so just wait for it to finish. After that, click Restart when prompted. Firefox will close and reopen automatically, and the startup cache will be cleared. Once the browser restarts, you should notice that Firefox has refreshed its startup data, which can help fix performance issues and other small glitches. And that's all there is to it. You've now cleared the startup cache on Mozilla Firefox. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.